Ciao, this is Esther.
Alfred here.
Of You, Me, and Sicily, and get ready for some highlights of what's reputed to be the most beautiful Carnival in Sicily from Acireale.
We went to Carnival in the daytime so you could see it, but believe me, at nighttime it is an explosion of color.
And music, that's right. And they also have a running race, all kinds of activities going on for a couple of weeks before Ash Wednesday.
You know what I like about it best, Esther, is even the mummies and daddies were dressed up in costumes. Everybody gets dressed up.
Enjoy highlights. Colorful, creative, festive, and just a super vibe. Every year, for about 2 weeks before Ash Wednesday, immense floats parade through the streets of Acireale. People from all over come to show off their costumes, masks, and indulge in some fun. Each float is made by a cultural association and are judged for several categories. The themes and floats vary from year to year and usually are satires about a certain social, political, or cultural topic. This one is called The Dark Side and depicts the good and bad influences of social media in our lives.
I figure the lion's head's about 20 feet tall. It's enormous. He actually looks pretty scary, too.
This celebration has been going on in Acireale since 1594, but there are several others around the island.
Liberati per sempre dalla loro presenza. Bulli, siete solo dei polli, dovreste stare in delle gabbie a ondeggiare i vostri polli. Bulli, siete del mondo la rovina, meditate per dalla sera alla mattina. Tutti voi avete il diritto di sognare. E se c'è un bullo, andate a denunciare.
Hey Alfred, you know where the word Carnivale comes from?
I haven't a clue. Where does it come from?
Carnivale, carne, meat, vale, to leave. So there you go. Hope you enjoyed highlights from Carnivale in Acireale.
I'll tell you what, this is a definite, you have to put it on your bucket list, Esther. What a wonderful day.
Gets bigger and better every year.
It sure does.
Hope you enjoyed this episode, and if you want to see more videos from us, go to www.youmeandsicily.com.
And Esther, remember,
What?
the floats are not real.
Ooh. See you next time. Ciao.